Hello students, this is Vanita teacher. Due to pandemic situation, this year for the academic year 2021, some part of your syllabus for mathematics has been reduced. The entire chapter is not cancelled, but from each chapter, certain topics have been deleted. So in this video, I am going to help you to mark those topics which are deleted. We start with algebra. Once we finish with algebra, we will be talking about geometry's reduced portion. So let us begin with algebra. In lesson number 1, linear equation in two variables. In that, go to page number 2. On page number 2, you will see method 1 and method 2, simultaneous linear equation solution. Both these methods are cancelled. Coming to page number 3, here exercise 2, you have the solved activity. This is completely eliminated. Okay, but at the same time, exercise number 3 is there in portion. Now go to page number 4. In page number 4, practice set 1.1. Here question number 1 is deleted. Come to page number 5. In that question number 2, sub question number 1 to 6, all these 6 questions are reduced. Question number 7 and question number 8 are there in the portion. Now let us go to page number 16. Page number 16. Here the entire activity in the bottom of the page is deleted. Page number 17 is entire page deleted. Page number 18 completely deleted. On page number 19, this activity is deleted. And on page number 19 itself, this full practice set, these questions are deleted. Basically the question in which you have variable in the denominator, for example 2 upon x, 3 upon y. So where you have variable in denominator, this type of questions are completely reduced. Now we will go to page number 28. Let us go to page number 28. From page number 28, you can see question number 6. All questions under question number 6 are deleted. They are again the question of the form where you have variables in the denominator. So this entire question number 6 along with its sub questions are deleted. So that was all about lesson number 1, linear equation in two variables. Now we will go to lesson number 2, that is quadratic equation. So starting from page number 37, if you see page number 37, solution of quadratic equation by completing the square method is completely deleted. So this method itself is removed. So this entire part will not come in your portion. Page number 38 completely deleted. Page number 39, here exercise 2 and practice set 2.3 is completely deleted. So up to here everything is deleted. 37, 38 and on 39 up to this part everything is deleted. Now we will go to page number 42. Page number 42 is completely deleted. On page number 43, this activity is deleted. Going to page number 46, On page number 46, this full page is deleted. So basically, presenting the roots in the form of coefficient of quadratic equation, the relation between the roots of quadratic equation and coefficient, this part is completely deleted. Page number 47 is again completely deleted as it is based on this concept. Now page number 49. On page number 49, this full box is deleted. Go to practice set 2.5 on the same page. In that third question, okay, determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. This is completely deleted. Now we will go to page number 50. On page number 50, question number 5 and question number 6, they are deleted. On page number 53, go to page number 53. Here in problem set 2, in MCQs, question number 6 is deleted. Then on page number 54, you will see these questions. In that, question number 10 is deleted. So that is all about your lesson number 2, quadratic equation. Moving further, lesson number 3, arithmetic progression. No part of arithmetic progression is deleted. This entire chapter is there for board exams. Fine. Next chapter is chapter number 4, financial planning. In financial planning, you have to go to page number 94. Now from page number 94, let us see what is deleted. From page number 94, composition scheme, this entire part is deleted. Then page number 95 is there. Page number 96, full page is deleted. Starting from page number 97 to 108. I repeat, page number 97 to page number 108, all these pages are deleted. So we go to now page number 109, because up to 8 everything is deleted. So on 109, all will be there in portion. Go to page number 11. On page number 111, this problem set 4B, this entire problem set is deleted. Okay, so I repeat, problem set 4B is completely deleted. Till here, everything is gone. Now, lesson number 5, probability. In probability, no reduction is been done. So, we move to the next chapter, that is your statistics chapter. In statistic chapter, we directly move to the page number 132. On page number 132, we have assumed mean method. From this part, from assumed mean method, everything is deleted. And from page number 133 to 137, 133, 34, 35, 36 and 37, all these pages are deleted. So 133 to 137, all pages deleted. So we move to page number 138. Okay. On page number 138, you will find there are exercises under practice set 6.1. From this practice set, question number 2, question number 4, 5 and 6. These 4 questions are deleted. Now we go to page number 159. Go to page number 159. Okay. Page number 159 is reading of pi diagram. This full page is deleted. Then page number 160, full page is deleted. On page number 161, this upper part of that page which shows the calculation related to pie diagram is deleted. Now we go to page number 164. Page number 164, you can see these two pie diagrams. Question number 5 and question number 6 is deleted. Okay. Now on page number 165, question number 2 and question number 4 is deleted. On page number 167, this page, question number 14 is deleted as it is related to pie diagram and we do not have reading of pie diagram. On page number 168, if you see, question number 6 is deleted. So with that, we are at the end of algebra portion. So we have this year your 25% of actual syllabus is being reduced due to this pandemic crisis. We are not getting time to complete the portion, so you have very few concepts to learn. So I hope you gave your 100% in getting good marks related to this reduced content, so you are at benefit. So next video I will be showing you the reduced portion of geometry.